Hi everyone, this is Valerie from Dashly, and if you are a marketer, this is another video full of insights for your personal library. This time we are going to talk about email marketing. So that is something 99% of marketers do, and I'm sure this is about you as well. So this time we are going to talk about email marketing, but actually a step back, which is the list building, email list building. What are the ways to build a list of emails for your database? There's a variety of options. Let's cover a few of them. Okay, forget it. There's actually only one way to generate emails on your website, and that is an organic way. All right. There's actually one more, which is an offline way to generate leads. Like you have a store and customers come to your place and fill in the form to get a discount card, and that's where they mention their email address. But that method of generating emails is not met that often nowadays. So yeah, you have just one option to generate leads on your website in a very organic way. And when I say organic, I mean your customers, your potential customers, your audience, your buyer personas share their email addresses with you on your website in a special form, maybe in a pop-up window, and they also accept all the terms and conditions when they share their email address with you. So that sounds as a very healthy and probably the most perfect way to build a list of emails. Anyways, I'm sure you've heard about some more ways to get email list. Parsing, purchasing databases, scraping the web, getting the database from one business to another, etc. Well, all those methods actually do not sound healthy. And if you use any of those methods, you're running high risks. So let me give you some arguments. If you're running an email marketing using a database that you purchased somewhere on the web, you might have a list of emails that will affect your bounce rate. In other words, when you shoot an email campaign, you will have a great percent of the emails will not be delivered. And the email domain that you use will treat your activity as a suspicious one. In a nutshell, you will be treated as a spammer. So all your next emails will fall straight to the spam box of the respondents you are targeting. Not a really nice situation. So as a result, you will have to recover your reputation, or as a better option, start building a new list of respondents who trust you and who are waiting for your email. Another situation with the purchase databases. Like, do you really often open emails from complete strangers? I personally don't. According to the statistics, people do not tend to open emails from complete strangers. So if you put it in another situation, if a person shares their email address with you on your website, indeed, they're expecting some email to receive from you in their email box. So when they see your name or the name of your company in their email box, they are likely to open it. So the open rate increases and you have very good statistic to rely on. All right, let's imagine the situation. You have purchased the database, you have shot an email marketing campaign, and someone has opened your email, but the information in that email is totally unknown to the recipient. And what happens next? They click on spam button, and your email is sent to spam folder. Again, you're getting the bad reputation, and the next email campaigns won't be in the inbox, but actually will happen to appear in the spam folder. And finally, don't you know the law of your country? Is it actually legal to send emails to those who are totally new to you? So make sure you know what risks you're running. And indeed, it is up to you whether you're going to use the database purchased somewhere on the web or not. And now, when each of us has taken the decision to grow the email list organically, let's get to know the way you can build your database for email campaigns. So indeed, sharing an email address with you is a part of a customer journey on your website. And of course, you know at what point you're going to ask your potential customers to share their contact details with you so that you start a lovely and pleasant communication with your database. So your audience can leave their email addresses somewhere in the form of your website or in the lead magnet if you are running any of those. And you can also have a live chat that also has a variety of options to generate leads. So let's sum it up one more time. To build an email list on your website, you can use forms. You can also use lead magnets in the form of pop-up windows. And you can also have a live chat tool that has a variety of options to get contact details. For example, a lead bot tool. The link to a lead bot that you can use is in the description to this video. So a question is here. Do you need to choose just one way to get contact details, or you can use all of them? Yes, use a complex of the way you can get emails from your audience. For example, a form may be not noticed, while a pop-up window will be noticed for sure, and a message in live chat can seamlessly be embedded in the customer journey so that they are likely to share their email address with you. By the way, pop-up windows and live chat messages are easily configured under 5 minutes, and you can create them without a developer, for example with Dashly tool. What is more, you can also configure at what part of customer journey this is going to be shown. Like a pop-up window can be shown on a specific page, maybe a sales one, and the live chat message can be shown on a pricing page, for instance. When you generate leads on your website, when you collect their email addresses, make sure you collect them all in one place, so you have just one single database with all the contact details to shoot an email campaign whenever you need. When you generate leads on your website, make sure you do everything according to the terms and conditions that are set by the law of your country or the country of your target audience. For example, make sure you are GDPR compliant. You can find more about GDPR policy in the description of this video. In most cases, you also need to set up the double opt-in option. So email marketing is a hugely important part of your business because you need to establish the right customer communication in a variety of channels, and email is one of them. Make sure you build a list of emails, make sure you are going to communicate with the right audience. And in the next videos, I'm going to tell you more about email marketing and the recipe of success to get high conversion rates in this way of customer communication. See you!